Hello guys. Welcome to my subscriber. Today I have anything funny.
Pag nag-school ka na,
We're gonna make my points is so many. I like this guy. Before I played this before.
The church features impressive murals,
Ted.
silly, and ornate retablo, showcasing intricate religious carvings. The interior is also known for its stunning collection of religious artifacts. The church is home to the church continues to function as a place of worship and is a popular tourist destination for those visiting Intramuros. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of Spanish influence in the country. And that ends our adventure for today. Please like, comment,
ulo ko lang
and
naman.
subscribe.
Kala ko naman mukha talaga. Ulo lang pala.
I-like mo, tapos nakasubscribe ka naman dito. Mag-comment ka naman po. Yan, para may interaction ako kay YouTube. Sige na. Comment. Ang ganda pala sa intro mo, mga ganun. Nilipot ako dati sa video.
Ito pa pa mga
World War II and post-independence. The church features
Wala ko na.
impressive murals,
Ano na share mo na?
religious silly,
Ang sabi pa maingay.
Pang tawag.
Sabi ko bawal maingay. Bye guys.